Hello everyone, welcome to studygyan.com. In this video, we will be learning how to install Ubuntu in a VMware on Windows. This is a step-by-step guide to installing Ubuntu 2024 on VMware. Watch this video till the end and learn how to install Ubuntu in a VMware on Windows. But without further delay, let's get started. Since when installing Ubuntu in a VMware, you must have enabled hardware virtualization on your PC. Let's go to the task manager. And here you can see performance. Let's check it. Virtualization enabled. By default, this feature is enabled and allows you to run and test any operating system in a virtual environment. If it's not enabled, you need to check the BIOS setting and turn on hardware virtualization. Once it's enabled, you can verify the status using the Windows Task Manager. To download the VMware, let's go to the browser and search here VMWare. And this is the official website, and let's click on it. Here you can see this kind of interface. Let's go to the products and you can scroll down, and here you can see workstation player. You can see here VMware workstation player. Go to the downloads. Now here is the Linux and here is the Windows 64. I have the window. Let's download now. Asking for the location. Let's save it. And it is around 563 MB, so I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it. So here is the VMware workstation player preparing for the installation. Here, welcome to VMware workstation 7 player setup wizard. Let's click to the next. Here is the license agreement. I accept the terms and click to the next. This is the custom setup. Select the installation destination and additional features like install to C program. Like this is the location for VMware player and all the folders, and enhance keyboard driver. Let's click on it and add VMware workstation console into system path. So let's next. So here is a user experience setting. Edit default setting that can improve your user experience. Check for the product updates. Let's click on it. Join. This is deselect. So let's go to the next. Shortcuts desktop and start menu folder. Let's click to the next. Click install to begin the installations. Let's wait for a while here. You must restart your system for the configuration changes made to the VMware. So let's click to the no. So we installed the VMware. Now we're going to download Ubuntu ISO file. So let's go to the browser and search here Ubuntu, and here it is the official website. Just click on it. Now let's go to the get Ubuntu, and here's the download LTS version. Let's click on it. Thanks for downloading. The downloading starts automatically, and now it's asking for the location. Here is the Ubuntu ISO file, disk image file. Let's save it, and now download starts. You can see it is around 4.7 GB and I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it. Now let's open the VMware workstation. Here this is the VMware workstation 17 player. You can see this interface. Here is the create a new virtual machine, and which will be added to the top of your library. Here is the open a virtual machine. When we have an existing virtual machine, then we open it. It is the upgrade. Let's create a new virtual machine here. Now you can see new virtual machine wizards. Here installer disk image, but we install later. I will install operating system later. Let's click on the next. So here is the guest operating system. Select the Linux and select here Ubuntu. Here Ubuntu 64-bit. Let's click on the next. Here virtual machine name Ubuntu 64-bit, and here is the location for the Ubuntu 64-bit where all files are stored. Let's click on the next. Specify disk capacity, allocate the disk size for the Ubuntu, and it is around 20 GB, so let it be default. Now ready to create a virtual machine. Here is a summary for we created a virtual machine Ubuntu 64-bit. Here is the location and operating system Ubuntu. Hard disk is 20 GB, RAM is 2 GB around. So let's go to the customize hardware. As you can see, the memory is around 2 GBs like the RAM. And now processors are 2. We kept using 2. And here is the CD. Let's click on the ISO file. Now press on the browse. Here it is the Ubuntu ISO file which we download the previous. Let's click on it and open it. Here. Now go to the network adapter. Here is the NAT adapter used to share the host IP address. Let it be default. Here USB controller, sound card and display. Let it all be default, and let's go to the close. Here this is the summary and finish it. So as you can see, we created a virtual machine Ubuntu 64-bit which is around 2 GB RAM. Now start the machines with the play virtual machine. As here you can see the GRUB version. Now you can use only up and down keys and press enter to it. So we select the try or install Ubuntu. Let's press enter on it. Try English. Click on it. Choose the keyboard layout. Let it be default. Click to continue it. Updates and other software. What apps would you like to install to start with? Select the normal installations and deselect the download updates because installations process was very slow. So we deselect that and continue. Installation type: erase disk and install Ubuntu. This feature did not delete your disk. So let's go to the install now. Write the changes to the disk. If you continue, the changes listed below will be written to the disk. Let's continue it. Where are you? Just select anywhere in the India and let's continue it. Your name, your computer name, pick a username. Let's choose a password. Confirm your password. Login automatically and let's continue. Here installation complete. Installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use new installations. Let's restart now. Now here connect your online accounts. Let's skip it now. Ubuntu Pro. Let's skip for the now. Next. Help improve Ubuntu. No, don't send system info. Next. So now here you can see the interface of Ubuntu virtual machine, and this is, let's click on the show applications, and here you can see the all applications like calendar, videos, calculator, utilities and settings. Here's software to do, and if you want to shut down the system then click here and go to the power off. Here select the power off and continue it. Now Ubuntu is shut down. Now we hear the VMware player. This is the Ubuntu 64-bit our virtual machine. And if you use in the future, then click on the play virtual machine button. Now I have to delete this from the disk. Now delete it, yes. So this is all for the video. Thanks for the watching.